I can remove the 940 rear bumper. As you can see, here is 2 bolts. Now these will be attached to here. Now they might have rusted through, then you may want to remove it right there. You will get the corner. And you can access these by removing the panel right here with a flat edge screwdriver. Now, then you're going to access the bolts from underneath here. This side, they were rusted through, so I'm removing, so I removed the entire thing by removing those. They are held together by 2 bolts straight through and one of these. Now if you these may be spinning, these little nuts right here, as they did on this side, then you can use a wrench or something, a spanner, to keep them in place. Now they are not going to come loose yet, so in here underneath the here, you're going to find 2 bolts right there. Remove them with a 10mm thingy. And as you can see, there's a clip in between, so you're going to want to pull the bumper outwards on both sides before pulling it backwards. Like that. Now it's going to come off easily, just like that, and then you can just lift it up. If you have a tow bar, you lift it like that, and done. Off. And this little plastic piece right here is bolted to here using 2, I believe, 7mm bolts, and you can access those from underneath, or you can, but I don't know if that's necessary. I don't know. Might just come, the bumper might come off without that. I don't know. Yeah. But to remove this plastic piece right here, you're going to find 3 bolts. One right there, one right there, and one right there. Holding it in place like that. And those you will access from behind in the middle. So done.